my dear friends. Am I audible to you? Are you feeling good? But most of your faces are looking in too sleepy mode. So now I am here to wake up you with an interesting seminar topic. Can anyone guess about a country which is also often called as the hell of earth?
North Korea.
Yeah, exactly. It's North Korea. And who is the first person? Do you remember? By listening the country name North Korea.
Kim Jong-un. Kim
Yeah,
Jong-un.
his Kim looks like a drum. So today my seminar topic is about the influence of Kim on North Korea. Before entering into my main seminar topic, I would like to give a brief introduction about how North Korea was formed and Kim became a president. Before World War II, Korea was under the control of Japan. But as we all know that Britain defeated Japan in World War II. So after defeated, Japan has surrendered the North Korea into two parts. One is North Korea and another is South Korea. Whereas in North Korea, Kim's great-grandfather has started a workers' party of North Korea and became a president. And after becoming a president, he suppressed all other parties and became a dictator. And his dictatorship has followed to his sons, and finally, in 2011, Kim has become the president of North Korea. Before becoming a president, he worked in the military of North Korea because he wanted to observe the military of North Korea, and also he wanted to observe the defense structure of North Korea. And after becoming a president, he killed most of the people and removed so many military officials, those who didn't cry after his father's death. And within a period of 3 months of his presidency, every North Korean citizen, and within a period of 6 months, the entire world has realized that a ghost has captured the North Koreans. This is just about a brief introduction about how Kim became a president and how North Korea was formed. Now, I would like to enter into my main topic about the influences of Kim on North Korea. Kim wanted to develop the North Korea as the best defense country all over the world and wanted to overcome the America. For that purpose, he mainly focused on the defense. And also he wanted to develop more atomic weapons. For that purpose, he passed an order which states that in North Korea, from each and every family, at least one person should be there in the military. Otherwise, his entire family will be punishable severely. This is one of the major influence of Kim on North Korean defense. Now, I would like to discuss about his influences on different aspects. That is, do you know? There is 99% of literacy in North Korea by the influence of Kim. Did you feel anything shocked about this? But there is a silly reason behind this 99% of literacy. That is, in North Korea, a person is considered as illiterate if who can read and write the name of Kim, his father and grandfather name, then is considered as illiterate in North Korea. This is the silly reason behind the 99% of literacy. And how do you feel if there is no internet and television? I think definitely we will admit as mental patients in Ergat Hospital. There is no doubt about it. But in North Korea, there is no internet facility. And also, there are only 3 television channels. Out of which 2 will cover the news about 80% of Kim and his activities. And remaining 1 channel will cover only entertainment purpose for 2 hours in every day. That's it. There is no other television channels. And how do you feel if there is no current even for 2 hours? I think we will definitely scold government and use abuse for Sandhi Jagan for being a power cut. But imagine if you live in North Korea, there will be no current for minimum 12 hours in every day. And overnight there will be no current in North Korea. Because Kim wanted to save the power and use it on the atomic weapons. For that purpose, he was making a power cut for 12 hours in North Korea. I think we can't live in this horrible situation. And finally, I want to compare Kim with Vim. There is only a small difference between Vim and Kim. That is, Vim destroys only gems and utensils, but Kim destroys the entire nation. This is only the small difference between Vim and Kim. And my final request is, please don't post this video on any social media, because if Kim watches this, he may kill me. Thank you, friends.